Hi, I have helped more than 30 businesses automate their processes with AI, increase profit margins, and increase the satisfaction of their customers. Also, it has formed into multiple five figures generated by me on the freelance platform number one in the world, Upwork, and also to add even more braggadocious tone to this presentation, I am in top 1% of AI talent on the planet right now, perhaps even in the whole galaxy. And hopefully right now you have certain conviction in that you should listen to me, and particularly to the video which will show you how to handle multiple messages sent in the short period of time on WhatsApp in your AI agent. So I think in case you have been developing agents for businesses for the last X amount of time, you could have faced the issue where there is that thing which we humans and our brains in particular are very good at. That's the ability to quickly change to the environment around us, including the digital one. For example, having multiple short WhatsApp messages sent in a row, and then we, let's say, started answering to the question, what are your working hours on Sunday? Then if I was the employee, then I would start saying, bruv, are you kidding? We are chilling. And then when I was about to send it, then I would pause and see that there is other message, and Saturday. And then I would type it back again, and I would say something like, we are relaxing Sunday, but on Saturday. Of course, I would misspell it. And then I see that the guy is so eager to know when we are working that he even asks when we are open on Monday. And I would go back again and say something like, Saturday 8 till 12, sun free, and Monday 8 till 16, for example. And how would you make your AI agent do the same? So the way me and my client were able to handle this is the following. So you will need a make.com account, less than 47 chromosomes, and just a couple of minutes of your attention in order to get what is happening. So yeah, actually this insane tree is the full logic of the agent, yet you can relax, just be like us on Sunday, just chilling. And the only thing which we will focus on are the modules which you are right now spectating on your screen, because the logic is as follows. We receive the message from the user, and we have the object in the data store on make.com for the chats, and not chats, you horny N-word chats. And we do this searching where we pick what is the current status of the chat for the specific user, and in case we do not process any messages for that user, we just keep going forward. And for now I will pause, because let's assume that we are actually processing the messages, and not we are just chilling, but AI agent is working on the processing other messages. And what is happening in the background is that we simply well, this is specific implementation of how we can find the content of the message which might be used as the context for reply on WhatsApp, but that's not the scope of this video, so I will not focus on this a lot. The main part is that we add this message which have been sent recently in addition to the other one. So again, as you remember this example, we would say that, let's say, and Saturday has come in, or and Monday also, and we just add these messages to the queue. So just imagine that the data store is like a hospital, and these things are like cranky grannies who are just lining up in order to have the appointment with jawline, a super chiseled 80-year-old PhD doctor. And whilst your imagination tries to process that picturesque thing I have described to you, we can see that this branch is, as a matter of fact, done. So if the message is being processed for the chat, then we just add the message to the queue. You remember, hospital, grannies, and then we can finish with those ones and continue to the next one, particularly for the message which was sent first. And what is happening is that we mark the chat as processing message, so the next messages get sent to this route. And here you can feel free for whatever time gap you wanna let your customers to have in order to send extra messages. Nevertheless, I decided, and me and my client, after the decades of, not years, we are a bit faster, decades of trials, found out that 40 seconds is the most natural way for the other individual to put in all of the stuff they wanna have known by us, as well as not to irritate them and do not risk their TikTok optimized brains being bored out too fast and leaving the chat. So 40 seconds is the best gap to wait for the other messages to pile up. And what is happening is that now we just go to the user chat history database and we search for the messages which have been added in the last 40 seconds. Yes, we do it here. And by the way, I think I could even optimize it a bit further, but whatever, I will do this behind the scenes. And yeah, finally we have the message to process ready at the end of this fork. I think that's what it looks like, or you know, if we move it a bit up, then it would look like a letter Y, but rotated by 90 degrees. So again, I'm sorry for that hospital joke. That's just my personal preferences in terms of quirky humor. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to handle the multiple messages sent in the short period of time on the messenger, because if you build the Telegram chatbot, or if you build Instagram DMs AI agent, or if you're a dinosaur and you build something for ICQ, who knows, you can utilize the pretty similar logic in order to achieve the same effect of not overcluttering the conversation with the client, as well as providing him with the most relevant, accurate, and up-to-date information. Congratulations, and watch the outro. Thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you like this video. Press the dislike button under someone else's video if you didn't like this particular piece of content. Also leave the comment either why you love this video or something else. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. Let's automate the things together. And subscribe.